Hi guys, we are looking for Forex traders just like you to take part in our educational challenge. You can earn while you learn. The goal, the purpose of this educational challenge is for you to become a pro trader and trade capital of up to $500,000. You will be given access to a bespoke indicator that has been developed by expert traders over many years. This indicator makes it easy to identify buying and selling opportunities in the market. So, if you think you've got what it takes to complete this challenge, then click on the link below. Good morning, traders. It is Monday, the 27th of March, and I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. I hope some of you are still recovering. So it's Monday, guys. As usual, we're going to look back at yesterday's trades. We're going to look at today's potential trades, and we're also going to look at the important news for today as well. We're not doing a live stream today, guys, but I'm still going to give you all of the usual information, all right? Before I start, to keep my editor off my back, a few things. First of all, join the Discord channel. Yeah, you got trade ideas, other traders, knowledge, lots of cool things on the Discord. We also have the VIP Discord where you can receive my trade ideas, even ask me questions throughout the trading day. Also, guys, we've got our mentorship sessions. If you would like to be mentored one-on-one with myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you all of the details. And also, guys, don't forget our educational challenge. Yeah, you choose the challenge you want, you pay for it, and then you can take part in the challenge, guys. And you can earn more than what you put into the challenge. Okay, guys, so yeah, check all of those things out. All of them are in the live, where are they? Yeah, in the live chat or in the video description, guys. All right, so check all of that out. Right, trades from Friday. Let's start with this Aussie dollar, US dollar, guys. So we were looking to short this pair. Why were we looking to short it? Well, it was in a downtrend, as we can see. Yeah. And it just kept hitting off this grey zone. All right. So this grey zone has been holding and we're still in a downtrend. All right. So that was the idea. If we zoom in a little bit, yeah, you can see we also had this candle and the previous wicks. Yeah, remember, guys, I love a wick. Yeah, love a wick more than vodka and porridge. And then we're just trying to come shorter from these wicks, guys. Yeah, there's sellers in here, isn't there? That's clear by these candles. And we just wanted to take price back down to this blue line. It didn't quite get down to the blue line, guys, but let's take a look on the H1 to see what actually happened. And this was the story of the day, really, guys, for Friday. We had trades and they went in the right direction, but they were difficult to get into. So this one, for example, yeah, as soon as we break down, break these lows, even break these lows over here, yeah, we had a potential short, yeah, because that was the idea, to break this grey zone. And we got this candle, but again, guys, we have to consider our risk to reward and does the trade make sense? If it doesn't, don't trade it. Because if we entered here, guys, we realistically have to put our stop up here. Yeah, and then this is our reward. Okay, this is our reward, and then this is all of our risk. So for me, the trade didn't make sense. I was looking for a bit of a retrace. Yeah, then I could enter here and then come back down, and then the trade would make sense. So we'll see now, actually. I'd still be short in this, guys, but you can see there's a bit of, a few buyers in here. If price again pushed up to here, I would still sell this pair. All right. So we were looking at that. I was also looking at US dollar, Canadian dollar. This did give us a trade, an opportunity to get into it. So day chart, again, we were just at a really good support level. So this grey zone through here, yeah, over here was a very good support level. Was also clearly in an uptrend, okay, and these lows here hadn't broke. Okay, so we also, there's more reasons why we got in this trade. We also had this, the last 2 days. Look at these wicks again. Yeah, I love these wicks. Okay, and it did push up. Yeah. So let's look on the H1 because, this was a trade. Yeah, because we had this, guys. It eventually broke this grey zone, this important grey zone that was holding. And then we had this candle. Okay, so you could have, and it give us a retrace. So you could have entered on the retrace, put your stop below here, and then, this 3,800 would have been a good level. Yeah, good psychological level. But more importantly, the trade made sense and you would have got your nice risk to reward. Yeah, if you're still in this trade for 20%, you might want to close it in profit, because if we go back to the daily chart now, this is telling me sellers want to push this lower. Okay, so if you are, let's go back to the H1. If you're still in this trade, guys, for 20%, maybe you took some profit up here. I would close the remaining profit in the trade, and I would close it, guys. I would take it. Next trade from Friday was this. It was euro against the Swiss franc. Another tricky little sausage to get in on. So day chart, why were we trying to short it? Well, we were in a downtrend, guys. I know price broke up here, was in an uptrend, but then price come crashing down, created lower lows, and then this is a potential lower high. Yeah. Okay, so we was in a downtrend. We also had, look at all of these candles, really. This is all telling us sellers want to push this down. Yeah, all of these candles are telling us this, even the green one. So, we were just trying to capitalize on this and take price back down to this blue line. And that's exactly what happened. But again, guys, if we look at the H1, we didn't get a retrace. A similar story with Aussie dollar, US dollar. So price came down. Yeah, we got a break of these lows and our grey zone. But look at the candle. It's a nice selling candle. That is clearly telling us sellers are in control. But again, if I enter here, my reward is here, my risk is up here. The risk to reward doesn't make sense. Yeah, again, I was wanting to see a bit of a retrace. Yeah, then I could enter and take it back down. The trade then would have made sense. But as it stood, didn't get in on this because it just didn't make sense in terms of risk to reward. And you must always think in terms of risk to reward, and you must always think of protecting yourself in a trade. Euro Swiss franc didn't give us a setup. Euro against the pound. That was the last trade idea from Friday, and this did give us an opportunity to get in. So the day chart, guys, why were we looking to short this pair? Well, let's start that again. It's that morning vodka, guys. It plays tricks with you. And prices come crashing down, breaking this last low and even breaking these lows here. So we was in a downtrend at this stage, and then prices pushed back up, and then we got this bearish candle form. So potentially we have lower highs, lower lows, the definition of a downtrend. So we were just trying to take this selling momentum on this candle and take it back down to this blue line or even the second blue line. Okay, and it reached our first target. This will still be a trade idea for today. I still like Friday's candle. If we drop down to the H1 now, guys, like I say, we had a couple of opportunities. So this candle did happen a little early. Maybe you missed this, but that was bearish enough. Yeah, for us to get in on this trade, in our grey zone. And we had this candle. Yeah, I didn't like the wick. You know me and wicks, guys. I'm quite a fussy wick man. I didn't like the wick on this. But, it's still very bearish. So perhaps we even, got in here, put the stop up here, take price back down to here. So, a couple of ways we could have entered that trade. And I still think it's a good trade for today as well, guys. So, euro pound, that was our last trade idea from Friday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. So guys, if you enjoyed the recap, maybe you took one of the trades, maybe you made some money, maybe you learned something, then come join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button and smash the like button, guys. We'd love to have you on the channel. I give you my trade ideas every day. So yeah, trades for Monday the 27th of March, guys. Yeah, I'm going to show you what I am looking at. Before I do, let's keep my crazy psycho editor happy. He's a nice guy, really. Yeah, so a few things, guys. If you haven't joined the Discord channel yet, come join the Discord channel. So we've got the normal Discord and also got VIP Discord, which you have to pay for. Yeah, but on the VIP Discord, you have access to me throughout the trading days. You can ask me questions throughout the day, and I give you my trade alerts as and when they happen, guys. All right. I do need to eat and socialize sometimes. So bear with me. Secondly, guys, what's the next thing? Yeah, we'll carry on. Obviously, this is not a live stream, guys, and we'll carry on the live streams as from tomorrow. Thirdly, guys, if you would like to be mentored one-on-one with myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you all of the details. And fourthly, also our educational challenge. We give you a bespoke a bespoke indicator to use and learn. And then while you're using it, you have to pay for the challenge, but you can sort of double your money and get your money back. So yeah, it's an interesting challenge, guys. Check it out. Yeah, and that's it, guys. Let's carry on. So trades for Monday, the 27th of March. So this is not a trade idea, but I'm just looking at yen pairs. I mean, look, there's loads of buyers down here. Yeah, you'll see this on all of the yen pairs. So I'm just showing you not a trade idea, but, you know, this is interesting. If I had to, I'd buy these pairs. Yeah, that's pound yen, what we're looking at. Let's take a look at euro yen. It'll be exactly the same. Yeah, you see, we just got these areas with lots of buyers in this area. So we could potentially push these yen pairs back up. But they are not trade ideas. My first trade idea is this: euro against the pound. Deja vu, I hear you cry. I'm going to remove this blue line because that was the target from Friday. But basically, guys, I still see no reason why we can't keep shorting this and even potentially back down to here. So again, we've got a couple of targets, but yeah, we like it because we're in a downtrend. As soon as we broke this, we were in an uptrend. Yeah, and this come tumbling down, breaking these lows and these lows. So we're now in a downtrend, and it seems to have found a lower high. This was the high, this is the lower high. And yeah, we're just looking to take it back down to these lows. We zoom in, guys. Yeah, you'll see, you know, both Thursday and Friday last week. Look how bearish those candles are. So let's just take this momentum down again. If we drop down to the H1 chart now, okay, so we've got yeah, we need a retrace to happen, guys. But I think there's also a grey zone through here now. Okay, so and where are we seeing? Yeah, I mean, I was going to say we could, you know, there's a grey zone through here. We get a break and a retest, but then there's not much room to move into. But that is a possibility. Yeah, if we break these lows, retest, we can get in like that, take it down to these targets, or we get a retrace back up to here, test these last highs here. Yeah, we get a bearish reaction, and then we can enter it and take it back down to these lows. It could, you know, it could get up to this grey zone, but if it does, then chances are H1 structure's broken. Yeah, and it's, you know, it'll be in an uptrend. So, yeah, again, if it does get up to this grey zone, I still want to see a bit of a breakdown in structure, you know, and then we can come lower. All right, but euro pound, we're still looking to short this pair. My second trade idea for today is this. It is pound against the Canadian dollar. And what are we seeing, guys? So, yeah, this is the day chart. I like it because we're just back at these very important highs over here. I mean, look how price reacted last time. It was at these highs. And it's right there now as well. Okay, so it's at a very important resistance level. It is against trend, clearly. Yeah, it's clearly against trend. But I think, you know, because these highs here are holding, okay, and therefore the support is this resistance is holding. I still think we have room potentially, back down to the moving average 20. I'm going to move this target. So this would be the higher time frame target, this 6,600 level. But I would also put this as a target, 6,750. I love a psychological level. So 50s and 00s. I love a bit of 50s and 00s. So this is what we're seeing, guys. These are going to be my two targets. We're at an important resistance level, and we've seen, this bearish candle form. If we drop down to the H1 chart now, what do I want to see? So for me, the H1 has already broken down. Okay, so it's tried to break down a couple of times and come back up. So broke down, come back up, tested the highs, broke down. Yeah, it's breaking down as we speak, guys. So, and these highs keep holding. All right, so this tells us that, sellers are there. Yeah, it's not, sellers will not let it go past that point. Sellers are like, no. So yeah, that's what we're seeing, guys. So what do I want to see? I just want to see a bit of a retrace. Yeah, up here somewhere. There's no real gray zone here. Yeah, I mean, all from here to here, it could react in. Yeah, because it could react back up the top here. It could react at this level, these levels. So all I want to see, guys, is a bit of a retrace. And then I want to see the sort of first bearish candle that forms with H1 structure. I will trade. Yeah. Usually combine that with an M15 structure breakdown. If I get those two things, we can then take price back down to this psychological level and then let 20% run, guys. All right, so pound Canadian dollar. Yeah, we're looking to short this pair. And that is it, guys. So euro pound, we're looking to short, and pound Canadian dollar, we're looking to short. I know if you look at the two pairs I'm trading, then euro Canadian dollar should be a better short. Let's take a look at that because I've mentioned it. Yeah. And on the day chart, it is potentially a short. But what I don't like about it is this. Yeah. It's hitting into this, got very bearish candles, but it's hitting into this potential area of support here. So that's why we're not trading that. But euro pound, pound Canadian dollar, if you've enjoyed my analysis and enjoyed my trade ideas, then come join us, guys. Yeah, subscribe to the channel. Also join our Discord channel. We've got mentorship sessions now, and we've also got our educational challenge. So lots of you to do on this channel, guys. Choose some things, do them. Okay, let's take a look at the news now. Oh, news for Monday, the 27th of March. The first piece of news we're interested in, guys, itchy nose, is 8 o'clock, London GMT. We have got the German business climate. So this is really important, guys, could really move the euro. If we carry on down, we've also got at 5 o'clock, London GMT, we've got the Bank of England Governor Bailey speaking. So when he speaks, he can move stuff, especially the pound. All right, guys, so quite a light news day. Leaves us free to trade. I hope you've enjoyed the vid, guys. Subscribe, like, share. Have a great trading day, and I'll see you tomorrow.